Hello everyone, myself Priyabrad and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video we'll understand or learn data science in just 5 minutes or the concepts of data science. So before discussing further, let me introduce myself. So myself Priyabrad and I have been working as a senior analytics developer or data science developer, and I have done or completed my masters in this specific field, and I have over more than 5 years of experience or real-time experience in data science and machine learning. And also just I wanted to quickly discuss about a few features or the courses that we are providing. So SQL for analytics and data science with Python, machine learning, deep learning, and also the Tableau and Power BI lectures we provide, and these are the live classes we provide, live as well as the recording classes we provide. And these are the 8 key features that we provide, or the you can say the features that makes us unique. So first of all, the live session, flexible class timings. You can go for the off weekdays class or the weekend classes, lecture recordings, and the interview guides, and the live projects, doubt clearing sessions, mock interviews, and the course certification. And also about the doubt clearing session, just to highlight, the doubt clearing sessions we conduct every weekend. I mean, either Saturday or Sunday the classes will be there, and you can come and join and you can clear your doubts. And also we conduct the mock interviews, so multiple mock interviews will be there before you attend any interview. And also we'll provide the core questions and answers that you may face if you are going to attend any specific interview, I mean related to data science and machine learning or the deep learning. And also there is a money back guarantee, and if you are enrolling yourself into a specific course and after attending classes for 3 days or 4 days, if you are not interested, then you can get or apply for the refund, and you will be getting the full refund. And if you are interested or if you want to know more about the details of the courses, then the link is there in the description of this video. You can check the details, or the email address as well is there in the screen, so you can reach out to us through email and you can clear your doubts regarding the courses that we provide. So now let's discuss about the data science. So what is data science? So this is the definition from Wikipedia. And as you all know, Wikipedia has definitions. Sometimes it is not clear. I mean to say, you can say in Hindi, palle nahi padta, right? So in if you are going through the Wikipedia, you'll never understand what is I mean what exactly it is, right? But this is the definition about the data science. So it is a process related to the it uses statistics, computing process, or the scientific methods, processing, scientific visualizations, algorithms, and the systems to extract, exploit the knowledge and insights from the potentially noisy, structured, or the unstructured data. So this is the definition. So now let's understand, because like from the definition itself, I know you will not be able to understand what is it exactly, right? So it has few life cycle. So there are 7 steps involved here. So first of all, there is a business understanding. So now let's understand what exactly business understanding is. So for example, you are a data scientist, and the problem statement over here is, or the problem you are trying to solve is, as a data scientist, for example, the product is XYZ. So how much products has been sold in the previous month or the past week, or in previous year. So you need to show me the graphs of the total numbers, as well as the strategy you need to build, so that we can increase our sales, or we can increase our profit, right? So this is the problem statement you are trying to solve. So first of all, you need to understand the business need, or understanding the problem, or what is the ask, or what is the question. So then data mining. So you need to collect the data, because you need information to solve something, right? So the second stage, or the life cycle, or the step is to collect the data. So once you have collected the data, you need to clean it, because whenever you are receiving any information, it is not mandatory that it should be in the clean format. So you need to clean it as per your requirement. Then after cleaning is, for example, if you are removing some unwanted data, or if you need to remove something from the some data. So live example, you can go through the courses that we are providing, or any other lecture notes, to understand more, like what are the steps involved in the data cleaning and data exploration. So you need to explore it. I mean, there might be more information, but you may not need whole information, right? So out of like whole information or the data you have, what amount of data you need, right? Or to understand the quality of data. So this is the data exploration, like creating the graphs and all to understand the data, or to understand how many what exactly the information you need, or do you need more information in order to solve the problem. So then comes the future engineering. So future engineering is nothing but, for example, if you are solving the problem statement as I told you earlier, like it has some solving the problem statement, that how much of amount has been sold for a specific product in previous year or previous month, right? For example, you have many features of the information of the product, like product description or product name or product code, or when it was when it was manufactured, or when it was sold, or who purchased. For example, who purchased do you really need, because like the problem statement over here is how much products has what is the quantity sold, and what was the net profit, and how to increase the profit rate, or profit margin, etc., right? So you are not worried about, or the business don't need, or they don't care about who is purchasing, or what is the person name, or what is his or her age, right? So you can remove these kind of information from your data, so that data will be clean, and it will be precise, right? And then predictive modeling. So for example, if the problem statement is to predict how many how much product will be sold in the next month, or next year, or next quarter, right? So you need to predict, like for example, earlier, as per year, as per year, like analysis, earlier in like previous month, it was 60,000 pieces, or products were sold, but next time, as per year analysis, it is 65,000 or something like that. You need to predict. And data visualization. So in order to make or convey your analysis to the stakeholders or business people, they don't understand the technical points, right? So in order to make them understand, you need to create the graphs and all, like to show them how the product is behaving, or what is the performance of the product in the market for different countries, or different states, or the cities, etc. So this is what data visualization. So now let's understand the other points or the stuffs. So it has few steps involved, like the whole concept is data, comes under the data science. But as you can see, these are the data, like Facebook or WhatsApp or Telegram, YouTube, etc. From the applications, we every day we receive some data, right? And we are storing in the database, because in order to store, we need something, some space, right? So database is needed, then data cleaning. So as I discussed earlier, like data cleaning is needed in order to remove the unwanted data, or some like unwanted particles from the data. Then after that, EDA, that means exploratory data analysis. So once you have completed that exploratory data analysis, you can go for the visualization or the data visualization. So coming to the data engineering part, so data engineering is what collecting the data and cleaning the data, so that it can be used further by the other team members, right? So this comes under the data engineer. You might have heard data engineer, right? So this is the work or the role of the data engineer. And coming to the data analytics, so you can do the data analytics or exploratory data analytics, and also you can build the like graphs and all, or the pie chart, etc. you can do. So this comes under the data analysis, or you might have heard that data analyst role, right, or profile. So this whole thing comes under the data science umbrella. So this is the like part, or to understand the what is data science. And also once you have completed, or you are done with the data analysis, you can go for the machine learning part, like modeling, or building a model to predict something, or to act something, or for anomaly detection, or any other kind of like recommender system, etc. So then ML comes into the picture. So this is the process, or about the data science. So I hope it is little bit clear to you now. So if you need more information about this thing, so reach out to us through the email or through the course, etc. So guys, thank you for watching and have a good day.